Ever wanted to run a real AI model directly on your phone with no cloud, no API key, and even no internet? This is actually crazy. Google has launched the AI Edge Gallery app, and it lets you download quantized AI models directly to your mobile device and run them fully on device. That means local text chat, image understanding, and more, all on Edge and even offline. Let's check it out. First, I search for Google AI Edge Gallery on the Play Store. You can already see from the app listing and screenshots that this is designed for running AI tasks directly on your phone. So I go ahead and hit install. Once the app is installed, I open it up. And right away, the home screen shows different options for text, image, and other types of inputs. It looks clean, simple, and very focused on local AI use cases. Then I browse through the available models, and this is where it gets really interesting. The app includes popular and latest edge-friendly models like Gemma 4, Gemma 3, Qwen 2.5, DeepSeek, and others. So this is not just some basic demo. It is actually giving you access to downloadable local models that can run on your device. For this demo, I choose the Gemma 4 E4P model, which is around 3.5 gigabytes in size. As soon as I select it, the download starts directly on the phone. And once that finishes, the model is available locally on the device itself. No server dependency, no constant internet requirement, just local inference on mobile. Now it is time to test it. I open the chat interface, load the model, and ask it a random question. It takes a few seconds to load, which is expected for a local model running on a phone, but then it starts generating the answer. To really prove that this works offline, I turn off Wi-Fi, disable mobile data, and switch the phone completely into airplane mode. So now the device is fully disconnected. And even then the model continues generating the response. That is the coolest part. This is real offline AI running directly on the phone. No cloud call, no hidden backend, just on-device inference. Next, I try image inference using the same model, still in airplane mode. I upload a random image from my gallery and ask the model to analyze and summarize it. In this case, the image is a poster that I captured somewhere. The model uses its vision capability to understand the image and gives a pretty decent summary of what it sees. Honestly, that is amazing. Offline text plus offline image understanding, all running locally on a mobile device, is a huge step for Edge AI. There are also other options here, like agent mode and more, which I definitely want to explore next. But even from this quick test, it is easy to see how useful this could be for offline AI apps, privacy-focused workflows, low compute environments, and future agentic experiences on mobile. This is a really exciting start for local AI on phones. If you try Google AI Edge Gallery on your device, let me know how it performs and which model works best for you. And if you want more videos on local AI, Gemma, Ollama, Claude, and practical AI tools for developers, follow Code with AI.